What's up, everybody? It's Pete from Pete's Place. Today I've got a big surprise for you gamers. So they have these Razer headphones out that have a vibrating mechanism in them, and they're $185. So I found these. These are $19.99 on eBay. These are called the YORO F35s. Basically the same concept. They vibrate to the bass. They have a built-in mic. And the coolest part is they light up. So there's two different colors to these. We have the black and the white. The specs on this is they are 50 millimeter oversized speaker, powerful stereo sound, original low frequency vibration feature, cool glowing experience, and more passion. Because God knows we all need some more passion. I'm seriously reading that right off the box, guys. So these are mine. They ran all out of the black, so unfortunately I had to get the white, which I wasn't terribly upset with because they turned out a lot better than I thought. The only thing that I'm not digging right off the bat, guys, is that when I picked up this box, something was rattling around in it, and I'd found out that these emblems fell off. And I was assuming, okay, well, maybe I gotta peel some adhesive thing and stick them on, and that unfortunately was the adhesive. It just did not hold them on well, but then again, they're $20 headphones, so yeah, you kind of get what you pay for. Here's a look at the headphones. You can see our headphone cushion things. That's all pretty nicely put on there. Definitely not original leather or anything like that. There's some parts on these headphones that are kind of plasticky, cheap feeling. But overall, these have a nice, good weight to them. There's going to be some things on here that feel cheesy feeling. But, you get what you get. So this is the mic on there. Just your little built-in mic. And, yeah, you got your grill there. And then we've got our volume control underneath. And so what I did, guys, if you order these and you have the same problem that I did, I just took a little bit of super glue, kind of dotted it around, and smoothed it out just so I could put them back on and not have them fall off. But I wanted to make sure they stayed on. So if they were decent headphones, obviously I'm going to keep them around. So you can't go walking around without the earpieces on there. So, yeah. So go ahead and do this. If you have the same problem, glue them up. And, yeah, make sure you get them on real good. Here's what they look like afterwards. They're looking really, really sweet. They got this wolf logo emblem thingy on it. Looks really, really cool, especially when the light hits them. You get this real cool kind of prism effect. Pretty neat. So here's the plugins for it. We've got our mic, we've got our headphone, and we've got the USB, which powers the vibrating motion and the LEDs. Got a nice, pretty durable cord here. And here are the headphones all lit up. Super, super sweet, guys. For 20 bucks, I mean, these things look awesome. I would really have liked to have the black ones because I just have to imagine they look pretty sweet looking. But these headphones, guys, for 20 bucks sound amazing. Sound exactly like the Razer ones. So if you're wanting something like this, go online, get the YORO F35s and look down in the description and I'll have the link where I bought these ones from. And yeah, guys, I really like them a lot. And it's a definite buy for me. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.